On the west coast of Sweden in Bohulslän. I just rented my kayak at Flatön, and I'm getting ready for a two-night kayak trip here in the archipelago. So I just came out now in the Kolje fjord. I have no idea what time it is. The sun is still high. So I think maybe what I'll do is continue to something called Björnsundsfjorden. So I started looking for a spot to spend the night. This is Björnholmen. It looks like a beautiful place. Tomorrow I'll try to make it out to the outer archipelago, kind of continue a bit and then go outside of Skaftön. Good morning. It's time for the first swim of the day. Looks like a really clear morning, so it's gonna be nice to get out there. My first goal will be, I think, Fredagsholmen, which is suiting because it's Friday today. So right now I'm here by Lilla Björnholmen. So the plan is I'll go kind of out, maybe this way to these islands out here, or maybe even out here, we'll see, and spend the night somewhere here. So I think that's Rågårdsvik, and maybe that's Ellös, which means I've now passed through the canal after an involuntary detour. My plan is to go out there somewhere to some of the smaller islands and see if I can meet up with my parents. Right in front of me is Kokholmarna, and toward the west is Skagen and the beaches in Denmark and so on, and up north is Strömstad and Norway and the fjords. So this is Kokholmarna here, and I just spotted my parents coming in the boat over there. Ja, hej hej! Sitter den bra där? Hej då! Made my way back over Islandsberg area because the wind is going to pick up tomorrow, and I wanted to make that distance today. So I think I found a pretty nice spot maybe for the night here. Hello. Find anything good? Some wild apples? So this is camp tonight. Found a nice beach. The wind has really picked up, but it's coming from the west, so I'm protected by the mountain here, so I think it's going to be another comfortable night. And yeah, I'm running out of battery, so this is probably the last filming.